This is Legal Saloni. Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about the important questions for university exams of Muslim law. Every student of BLLB and LLB courses of 3 and 5 year respectively have to deal with these important questions for their second year or fourth year examination respectively. So let's talk about the important questions of in Muslim law to excel our examination, to score well in our examination. Every student more interested in Muslim law or not can score well or more than enough by reading or by going through this video, and we will learn about the most important question, that is the repeated questions in every university exams, more or less, and we will excel in our examination by watching this video. So let's start. Who is Muslim and the original nature of Muslim law, how the Muslim law started, what are the basic case laws in Muslim law. These are the very important questions which is repeated in every examination of university exams, and we will discuss this Muslim and original nature in our video previously, so you can go through my YouTube channel and find out the playlist of Muslim law, and you will be surprised as very prescribed and with short notes and case laws I have provided you, all my fellow mates, the important and most important topics of Muhammadan law and or Muslim law. Any student can excel in their exams, or if she or he is very intelligent or not, or very interested in Muhammadan law or not. But just go through and go through my videos and just write it in your copy with the notes, and you will exactly know how to excel in your exams by using my key points and by using the very short notes of bare acts. Next, the question is, what are the sources of Muhammadan law? We all know the sources is very important, primary source and secondary sources, and discuss everything in this question. If you will just go through the sources, you can answer this question very exactly and perfectly. Describe the main school of Muslim law. The main school of Muslim law, schools of Muslim law. So there are two main Muslims law, that is Sunni and Shia, and the Sunni and Shia are further divided. So you can watch the video, and you can also read the books. Describe some important differences between Shia and Sunni school under Muslim law. So this is also very frequently asked question. But now this 1, 2, 3. This is the most important questions, VVIP questions. That is, you will have to face this exam, face these questions in exams more or not. The fifth question is, marriage according to Muhammadan law is not sacrament but civil contract. Why Muhammadan law is not a sacrament, but few jurists and judges have also said that this is also sacrament and civil contract. But this question is frequently asked, why this is civil contract? Because there is a ijab, there is a kubul, there is a offer and acceptance and consideration to the bride. So this is the civil contract. Go through the video and you will find out the exact definitions and case laws with this. What is the difference between Muslim and Hindu marriage? Then you will also have to read about Hindu law so that you can answer this very well enough. Dower is a debt. Dower is a debt. So why this statement is said? Why dower is a debt? Explain this statement. So dower is a debt because it has to be given to the bride at the time of marriage or after the marriage, because it is a important part of Muslim marriage. Without this, Muslim marriage is not acceptable or not considered perfect or valid because the wife can repudiate it on the ground of dower, because she is faithful or not, she is entitled to dower. So, what is talaq? Talaq is very important topic of Muslim law. Different modes of talaq. You will be interested in learning modes of talaq and talaq topic. It is very interesting topic, and have enormous changes in the part of talaq. What is the object of will under Muslim law, and what are their limitations on the testamentary powers? What is will, and Muslim law and testamentary powers? These are the things which have to know for writing our answer for 3 to 5 page. 10th question is describe the right of maintenance of Muslim law. Well, right, maintenance of Muslim wife. How the Muslim wife have maintenance over CRPC 125, or she can use the Act of 1986. How can she use? What are the case laws of this maintenance right? Because when these acts were not passed, Muslim wives have only right to maintenance till the iddat period, and after iddat period she is not entitled to any maintenance. So the case laws is very important in the field of Muslim law for providing the right of maintenance of Muslim wives after divorce also. Define waqf. What is waqf? Work types of works you can also mention in this question. How is created, who can create it, how to appoint mutawali, who is mutawali, what are the essentials of valid work, what are his powers and duties, mutawalis. ये बहुत important है discuss. Right, define preemption and state its nature. Preemption is very important. um, Discuss the history in India of preemption, how preemption established, what is preemption. Preemption is a right of the owner of immovable property with respect to another owner of immovable property situated side by side. So how can this is how its nature changes, how this history in India happened. So these are the important question. And last but not least is a gift. You can also go through the work for talaq, dower, maintenance, and go right and the school and sources. In these 5 points you can read and go to the examination hall for the best marks in Muslim law. But you can also read define gift, who can make a gift in Muslim law. Gift is also a part of important part of Muslim law. Thank you so much for watching Legal Saloni. We will meet in another video with the important questions of Hindu law and other papers of university exams. Sami, thank you so much.